Yeah, but for to come along. This is my just showing you what number. Say, Scala or do the way to fit. Or Nigeria buffet. CP the buffet. Hey, it's too high buffet. Say, a Sakana buffet. Sit over fit. Now the woman of Shan is hard. Genele la food. Sizokhala la simphakathi sethu how 1632 to Malamo doctor. This is my service TikTok. Naga broadcast show everything. See what do you Hey, Baba, good time, Baba. Right, Baba. Down, Baba. Yeah, good challenge mfowethu njengoba ngisho mfowethu ukuthi like namuhla mfowethu sifuna sisombululo mfowethu because of it's too high mfowethu the rent is too high mfowethu electricity mfowethu na mfowethu it's too high mfowethu. Right now, what we are waiting for, angit basembi sulevena ngithi simele ulevel wabo. Failure to do so would bafike ngo-11 bayenza into right. Izolo sikhulumile emithingini ngithi abangasenze into right the whole week. Uyakhuluma lapho, Lalelani bafethu. Angithi izolo kuphuma istatement kumasipala ngithi kulama demand lawo besibathumele wona i3 angithi. There's nothing that we are going to convey to you tonight, guys.
The office Masipala is the one who's supposed to come here and convey a message. Yes. So we're not going to be bullied by Aban. Yeah. But responsible for whatever which is going on here. They said to us, who's over the task team is over corner, which is non-political, which is the administration. The only political person who's over corner is political aid, which is the MMC of Finance. Because of their building, they are Nama bills none. I belong under here. So what I'm saying right now, something that I should say. Tina, away come answer some Kaya. Tina Satama Timando Kagati Sawaisa Bugageti. For Namelevas of Ubi, so right now we're expecting the city manager, Belizena. Because of we are imposing the administration. Then it's MMC of Finance, imposing will be let's say finance in terms of the portfolio. Then Namanje, UCRM Naye. Abela, otherwise we explain about it. King back about 1.5. Why are we in the middle of 3,000? But what I'm saying, if we want, I'm thinking it. He can stay to solve value big long. So when I expect the answer give, city manager, MMC, and officials of the office. Wait here until they come to do what is right.
For how long?
Bakatela bomama bafethu bathi babhadaride irent abantu abadala babhadaride bakatela futhi sinabo khona la khona futhi
sifungile simali zokuphela sisabalaza sihlale ngikhuphuza thelisi sibadala
yebo
akubadalwa ngathi baba akubadalwa ngathi
akadalwa ngabantu abadala bafethu
mabangadlali ngathi basibhadalisa ugesi wani lesibhadalayo wani gesi ngimdala mangingako ngemali yami yomndende ndotintandane kodwa funa ngithathele 200 ngoba noma abantwana bazintandane uyobabhalisa bazawutshela bahamba uze nabonini sabavusa ematuleni sizawuvusa isidumbu size nazo abantwana
abathili kulunga salela abathili kulunga
kuzawulunga nini sibadala mntanami inkululeko kanti yini inkululeko abangadlali ngathi abangadlalwa silile kwelizwe akulunge ngabantwana esikolweni sithenga i-stationery kanti i-stationery samahala
osistere bona bakhuluma banona yini bathi bakhathele bathi bakhathele
thina lezindlu lezi izindlu zabazali bethu namhlanje thina kodwa lezindlu zabazali bethu awuhamba wenza i-dj ekhanselini amakhansela bethu awasi-inform ukuthi kwenzakalani ngathi today indlu kodwa 12,692 ngiyithathephi ngingasebenzi mangihamba ngiyobhadala bafuna 3.5 ngiyithathephi wayimele badlale ngathi ethembisa iSoweto ayibhadali igesi iSoweto ayibhadali igesi akekho umuntu obhadala igesi ithembisa kuphela sikhathele enough is enough sikhathele
bathi bakhathele
ngabe futhi thina sina-8 basifuna iy'tandi thina sizithole mara abantu bangaphandle bathola iy'tandi bafake namagesi thina babekujwela simele senze njani waye bangasizweli wayesingazwela xaliswela indawo sethu sizala abantwana emakhaya siphinde abantwana bethu babe nabantwana futhi emakhaya awakhathisiselweni nathi nathi singabantu siyaphila
Danke, Freund. Izindaba sezikazi mfowethu abanyusi mfowethu sezikazi mfowethu lokwenzeka manje mfowethu abantu mfowethu kudala bakhala ukuthi abafethu ukukandisombululo bathi kuzoba whole world mfowethu so kufuneka isombululo kama lapho this is we are live let's yeah, we to tell danke Sisi, danke Malume. Sizokwenza for just only 1 hour for it. Sikhombisa indaba mfowethu zasithembisa igazi mfowethu. Indaba zasigazi mfowethu. Wekwenza ngakhona igazi mfowethu. Wayibona ihipho yamaphoyisa lena. Imile khona. Abantu bafuna ukulungisa mfowethu. Danke. Awucinga ukuthi ihamba kancane mfowethu. Uzokhona ukubona mfowethu ukuthi isigazi mfowethu. As you can see, a castle foot. solo ujalo nje mfowethu solo futhi siyakhuluma solo selokho solo sizama ukuthi ulunga futhi la ngilokho brother khona lana wobhekile ukuthi kwenzekalani wakisebenzile ufuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzekalani lana sikona futhi uyabona futhi bangamu a live show, like a broadcast show. Wanna drive? What is such a afternoon drive show? We are going to do this for the whole day. We are going to do this for the whole day. So people for the can't use it for isn't just a thing amount of photo corner. That's all for the corner which was the gallant. All over. Chocho. Yeah. The current situation of the current situation. So the prepare to on my bed the current situation. Jango.
Abona manje sikhiphe ama-TV. Ngiseza ama-celebrity.
Yeah, I'm celebrity. But 11. So,
Yeah, 11.
Yeah.
Simele 11 badala.
Uzo 11.
Yeah, uthi uyenza ngo-11 simele yena kanjani siyamela.
Yeah.
Sesikhathele.
Yeah.
Hayi.
Yeah.
Sesikhathele 11 yena simele.
Yeah.
Simele nesi-organize. Si-organize. Bafowethu.
Pamela 11.
Simele 11.
Nimele ubani ngo-11. Kudala kubadala. Khonakala mfowethu. Kudala kubadala. So akhonakala ngeke. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. only 1 hour bafethu la bafethu so khona bafethu just only 1 hour this is my love show for we are here for the just to fix everything for the just to sort everything for one is so good what are we doing for it just under 1 hour for it then this is that because of it some question here just
I'll be back. You see this interview
Yeah.
I'll be back though.
yeah so ngalapho so to them wathi abahambi abathekisha level ufuna ama-answers bamele imiya bamele emakhasi bamele i-premium food khona la endaweni esethembisa khokho lokuthi ethembisa futhi like indawo itholile futhi kodwa bawuyisala futhi angeke lokho sekuthini once if unyathela emsileni kwethu hey awona inyoko uma wenyathela emsileni izokubamba izokulunga futhi we are life lesifana futhi kama la muntu akuthasima samothi this is besebenzisa kumna ka broadcast show afternoon drive senimonane nonke lapha ekhaya bakela the show we are still live ukuthi sikhuluma nawe lapho ukhona comment ukuthi just ngesonto kanjani sile but this is what is the opinion ngayo le nto lenzeka today because abantu abaningi bafuna ukwazi ukuthi like for example why it's like electricity cinywa yavula yecingo so yizinto abakhala ngazo lezi hey this is a live show mnakabo show. Yes, sendaweni sethembisa bafowethu police station next to the police station bafowethu lesikhona khona abantu bafuna ukulungisa mfowethu abantu bafuna ukuthi hey bafowethu bakhala ngezi bakhala futhi irent ukuthi iphakeme mfowethu so angasihlangana khona nginabo baba so baba ungathanda ukuthi mhlawumbe ngibuze some of the question invest life
Angitshela ukuthi
angive okay ora wesaba nawo camera ba okay right abantu bafowethu basaba camera bafowethu umpela because of let's call it this is a live show mfowethu you see live mfowethu he live show mfowethu I live mfowethu this is a live show mfowethu kambala mu Dr. Smosa Mom City mfowethu this is my SABC TikTok Umnaga broadcast show Umnaga broadcast show sisendaweni sethembisa eRabasutu mfowethu khona la sikhona mfowethu. This is Tembisa police station. Next to police station bafowethu. Khona iholo bathi iRabasutu bafowethu. So, ubone nje mfowethu bakhona monke labantu laba. Bakhona lana bafowethu la ngase police station Rabasutu bafowethu. Just under 1 hour for it. This is a bugger right for it. This is my service. You can go to YouTube and check this for you. Gonna say it. We are live for you. That's what I'm going to say. That when it's a time how can improve it? Yeah, when you tell you know. Oh, once again, send one another. The current situation in the money for bear over to Brazil to see a car. Color to see color and red. The color like is of food. Suddenly, it may have food. Is also for just as well as I'm afraid put down food. Put down food is solid. That is all what's this kind of the food. Can you know where, but for Jay. It's a big problem for the local. Yeah, but some boy, Galang shit us up. Go YouTube or TikTok. YouTube, TikTok. I have a forward. Now I'm afraid. Abo mama, why you get the mama? But can't tell about mama. I want my daughter. Our mama, viva comprende. Let's send us on, mama. Good job, mama. You need to clang I want to cylinder. But the land.
Siyakhala singabahlali.
Nekhala ningabahlali. Yeah. All right.
Yazi umuntu beka right khona.
Yeah. Oh mama. Yeah. Umama ngizoya kuwe mama. Wena mama nawe ekhala.
Yeah, siyakhala so.
Wena ukhalela ini?
No, siyakhala ngoba umasipala udlala ngathi. Khona manje kune-intije abogogo ukuthi bafanele babhadale imali. Abogogo bahola imali yomndeni. Bahola imali yomndeni. Yeah. So umasipala ubavanela i-electric ngoba ethi bababhadale imali. Bazoyithatha abogogo imali babefuna 3,000 4,000. Bazoyithatha kanjani?
Imali yomndeni. Bafuna imali yomndeni obangiyelo bhadarara. Yo, so the Kalangana water the rent is too high. The rent is so high, the kids too high. Man, gentlemen, what's the child is cut to say, you're waiting for what? All right. No, I will not. Wait, I'm your sister. Yeah, Hey. Yeah, Bob. Sure. Tell them to pose just some of the questions if like in a
Give me a
Let me give you something. Awesome. Bathi bafuna ukubuza ama-question.
Kunja mama. Kabir mama. I want to tell you it's not a big just in the
Asikisi kancane ngicela ngicela bazosibhulethini ka-11 o'clock iy'ndaba zika-11 ngicela ukubiza okubona ngithi uhleli khona ngicela ukusayenza ngabaqeda babuye kuwena
Sister kunjani? Ngiyaphila ana ngiyakubona ukhona. Hayi vele imelo nimela for isikhathi sanazo. Zoma la for how long?
Simele bona sisazi nesikhathi abathe baza ngaso bebethe ngo9 but siyamangala nangalesi sikhathi bengakafiki.
So what if bangafiki na? Bangafiki at all?
Going back to the street.
Yeah, going back to street.
Yes.
Kuzobe into ethude or into aliving long
Until further notice up until ama demands omphakathi bawamitha halfway.
All right. No, I'm gonna give my singabonga my sekama la doctor so some of city.
Siyabonga.
Ofuna khuluma thana ngenza. Uzokhuluma uzovakala wena.
Lemidele.
It's like you joke. Khuluma ofuna khuluma.
Yeah.
Khuluma.
Madoda niyalazi kama laba abangazi usilahla. Abangazi usilahla. Lento lela yamagesi namanzi yanginyanyisa. Yangidina nje. Iservice alayo ikhansela yethu nemeya ayilende. Iyangidina lento ngiyangicela guys. Ngiyangicela. Nabanye babacimela izindlu bafuna ama-intigate ngicela bayilungise lento iyangidina ngidla ngimusilahla niyangazi ngisebenza kuphi ngeke ndikhombe igama lami ngicela ama-service abe kahle.
Danke siyabonga baba. Mhlambe kuzosolve kuzoluseka baba. Danke.
Ngitofonela phela sithike nama-tea staff ngitofonela.
Useless.
Sabona Kok. Nijan Kok. Sabila Kok. Ngicela ukubuza some of the questions Kok. Just don't worry. Kuza into lenkulu. Awugogo yena umeleni la. Awesaba khuluma ugogo abogogo madoda gogo. Ngabe umele.
Ngemetse ku office. Tshelse ba patedisa yona.
Alright, naku gogo uthumele mo perfect uthi imali bayibhatarisa ngona utsenze
2000 khola 2000 ubhatale yona yonke.
Umadoda udlana gogo umadoda uzobulo njalo gogo ayisiveleni phela igovernment madoda ayisiveleni phela igovernment. Thank you. Sanibonani. Sanibonani Lija.
Nani bantwana? Uyangeke abantwana boss nani?
Sure. Ikila, awenza hao. Hayi uhambe ngaphi? Today ngiphe. Angikho schedule. Alright. Some of the questions. Yeah, man konan. Yeah. So I want something like that. So. Yeah, Kabla Doctors for someone sitting buffet. This is my service TikTok. Uzongona gaba photo ndagu YouTube lang la kona photo. Ungasangena utemnaga broadcast show. We are live last kona photo today. Ngino vusi la na photo. So uzongitshela umvoro ukuthi la ufuna. Yeah, kahle kwenzakala na ungitshela.
Ala strike baba kwakhala ngamagesi khala ngamanzi yonke into yabo.
Yeah.
Abantu abacimele edala bakhala abantu.
Imali
esiningi esiphumela ndoda ezibhayo. Mayisimele umeya ukuthi afika azokhuluma ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Yeah. Azokhuluma ukuthi konke. Ngiyakubona excited now la ukhona khona mafora. Ngiyakubona ukuthi excited to angazi ukuthi bathi uzofika ngabesikhatsini so.
Bathi mele afike manje ngo11 from a win.
Bathi ofika manje ngo11 from a win.
Manje bathi bakafika bona.
Uza kuphi?
From a win, suka from a win.
Oh, suka from a win uza la uhlala khona le win or
uza la. Wahlala win because win uzokhuluma ukuthi asowazi uaddress okwazi phala yonke into ukuthi kwenzakalani. Zaze ngapha usitshela vele.
But for sure ukuthi
abantu abaningi
manje senesikhathi esinganani nifaka lo daba lapha angafiki.
Sikhathi eside for mizolo.
Akafikanga.
Afikanga.
Alright, maybe uzofika futhi. Ngabona la mfowethu kubhizi kiwe lena le abantu bagcwele yonke indawo. Kiwe lena futhi khona lana eRabasuthi futhi. Alright, athi ngibuze gogo sabona kunjani?
Yebo.
Yeah, alright gogo.
Ngikho right.
Ngiyabona ugogo uhlezi lana ngizobuza because of lecture. This is my live show, umnaga broadcast show, morning drive, still morning drive. So ugogo yena ngiyambona ngathi ukhathele ugogo wenze njani gogo uhlezi le?
Ngikhathele ngihleli ngilambile anginagesi anginakuhlala nje sithisha lo gesi. Bafuna boma 20,000 esizawathatha apha singama pensioner. Asinayo.
Oh. Banifuna boma 20,000.
Yebo bayasicimela ugesi. Namanzi siyahlupheka ngamanzi.
Banicimela banikeza isikhathi inotice or kwenzakala.
Makakunikeza inotice sokunikeza inotice ukuthi nge5 days uyakucimela.
Manje
ngabe soyithatha iphi lo mali le?
Stress ko. Manje ngiyeva labanye mangibusola ngithi ngibabhizi ngithi ngababuza bathi bamele imela nama premier na cancel angazi ukuthi kwenzakala. Nawu nimele yona le mela.
Simele yona.
Bathi uzofa ngobani?
Bathe u11 soshayile.
Oh bathi uzofa ngo11. What if ingafiki gogo nizowenza?
Awukha sesihleli impela sizawuhlala la. Yozifika noma ufika next year.
Usho ukuthi uzobulawa indaba efika. Indaba.
Ivele yasibulala indaba.
Manje la gogo makula avulile or na avalile.
Avalile.
Manje kudla ngizothenga gogo.
Hey Nkosi yami uzobona iplan yena.
Bani?
Yena lo meya simlindile.
Yo. Okay right, athingize ngapha. Ngiyabonga gogo. Sabona sisi. Kunjani? Sabona gogo. Hayi ukwesapi gogo. Si live la sikona gogo. Alright gogo.
Right.
Kwenzakalani gogo ngapha?
Hey, njengoba ubona sihleli la silambile. Silambile sinagesi. Kufuneka imali engaka.
Kufanele imali enkulu, imali eningi.
Soyithatha.
Ay stress oh imali ayikho manje nawo mara ngathi sokhathele la since from nini uhlezi la uhlezi nazolo bukhona la nabesendicide ukuthi kuvela ngena emgwaqweni estradini manje makangizibona uzowenzani na
njengoba ngihleli
uzoqhubeka ukuhlala kusho awusasukumi
sengidlile
or athengifusizi sikunjani wena
Ngiyaphila.
Alright.
Ngicela kahle ukuthi ungangifaki.
Ah,
Sengiyakufaka njengoba uyababona abogogo njengoba bahleli la bakhathele. Basuke emakwabo bakhathele. Indlala babambile mara bathe namhlanje bayazikhanda because yona leyo mali yawo yomndende leyo 2.1 leyo. Kumele bayoyikhipha lapha eWini. Esimanga sokuthi babacishela ugesi. Umuntu omdala uzoyithatha apha ipension.
Inkinga na.
Uzodlani? Uzodla ini gogo? Sikhathele thina ithembisa sibhadala ama services sibhadala yonke into. Kwamanye amalokisha babhadala.
Kwamanye amalokisha wabhadala.
Babhadala. Ugesi Soweto hayi mahala. Yeah, uthi ufika nje uthola emzini oyi1 kulayitha itofu zonke kutheni.
Ngalesi ngalowo mzuzu akuna next stop abapheki next.
Yes, thina sesibenzisa amahasi sizama ukuminimize ukuthi at least igesi nakhona ama-rate akhona aphezulu amanzi ugesi yonke into irent hayi anyeke yonke into ibheke thina thina kusho ukuthi sesifela laba abantu so that's the reason why yabona le office lele la ya ubohamba uyobashuthela le office lele last time kune strike washiswa lela office lele yila bekubhadala khona ama-service ngamasipala
okay
so lokho salishisa njengoba ubona bangakazi how many years ago njengoba ubona yeah 3 close to 3-4
3 years this year
yes njengoba ubona bangakazi balungisa akakalungiswa namhlanje kusavaliwe
manje nebhatara kuverent
irent siyibhadale eWini
eWini manje okay
so yabona manje abakalungisi ne-service abakayishintshi soloko sashisa sekumele senzeni manje so simele basofika ngo11 makaze address azele ngento right
danke my sister ngabona nawe ucela akunakinga
vele kwathina Excellent Park ngathi badlalela nje kithi Excellent Park asinamanzi mara igesi sigcinyelwe thina ekhaya sina 3 years singana gesi
isikhathi esikaka
esingaka sina 3 years singana gesi basicimela so masenza ama-indigent basisa le nale indaba yakhona ihlangana and mina ngiso ngihola 1.5 bafuna yona le 1.5 ngingazi ukuthi umntwana uzodlala so manje hayi ene ngapha nginomntana ogulayo ne-sugar diabetes
na-sugar diabetes kunomntwana ogulayo
and ngapha kaholi vele ngiholela abayi-3 so bafuna le 1.5 and le 1.5 anginayo hayi uningi
hayi no akwangathi zonke izinto singasolve ngaba nesombululo akafike lezo sombululo ngoba la kubheka ngiyabona ukuthi la kubhekenwe nenkinga inkinga lenkulu leyo inkinga lenkulu leyo khona
thina siyazithi nje safika kule ndawo Excellent Park amanzi awekho
sihlupeka
ngamanzi njalo kumele sivuke ngabo-2 ebusuku sifuna amanzi emapayipini
masingarejwa lana sikha amanzi sagijima senza yonke into
ngapha ama-toilet asendlini ngapha bacima izindlu angazi bathi izinto sizithathephi and mina vele angikho osebenzayo endlini
lela thembisa ngathi
angifoli akekho osebenzayo abantwana bami abasebenzi
so akafike lo meya akafike kumele yena sho ukuthi kumele yena alright danke sawonga mama